Let's pinch out our sweet peas. Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and today we're going to be pinching out the sweet peas. Now this is one thing that you don't necessarily have to do, but we've grown these in the root trainers that we got from Oakland's Gardens, and yeah, the reason why we pinch them out is to help them bush out. If you don't let them bush out, sometimes they get bigger flowers on, but if you let them bush out, they get more flowers on them and they send out side shoots so that we get more flowers coming from them. So fingers crossed we get some great blooms on these. So I'm going to show you how to pinch them out. Like I said, it's not necessary, but we want to make them more bushier and to get more flowers on them, and hopefully a better harvest from them for our vases, because sweet peas smell absolutely gorgeous. The more you pick the sweet peas, the more they will produce. If you leave the sweet peas on, they will go to seed and it'll slow down harvesting and flowers on them. So you've got to keep picking them when them flowers appear on the sweet pea plants and put them in your vases and give them to your friends and family. So let's get these pinched out and let's get them ready. So to do this, all we've got is a pair of scissors. Obviously if you've got nails you can do it yourself, but all we're going to do is just snip off the top of the sweet pea plant so that it stops growing towards and starts bushing out and sending side shoots out. So yeah, it's a pretty easy job, not too hard, but yeah, we just take the tops off them just like that. So let's get them all done. So we've pinched all them ones out. Oh, I missed one. Let's do that one. Let's just pinch the top off. There we are. So yeah, we have done all them. So like I said, we've only taken a tiny bit off the top of them, just down to where the leaf joints are. So this should help them bush out and hopefully produce more and more flowers on them. We're not going to be planting those out probably for about another month. We're going to wait until it gets a bit warmer, as I don't want to risk losing them. They can be pretty hardy, but we want to not risk it. We don't want to lose them to any elements of cold weather. Being up north, it's still getting cold and we're still getting frost sometimes in the morning, so I want to play safe. And we're going to grow these in our new big planters that we've got, what have got the extensions on the top, so that they get nice and good support and get growing up. And obviously if you are growing sweet peas, they need netting or something, or trellis to grow up so that they can cling on and support themselves as they get growing. So that is basically how you pinch out sweet peas. So I hope you found this useful and that it's been good advice for you. A lot of people have been asking for this video, and I've finally done it for you now that they've got to a decent size. So we're going to keep these watered, we're going to keep them in the polytunnel, and hopefully they'll start sending out the side shoots to get them growing better. So I hope you found that video useful and that it's worth it. Make sure you share it and save it and use it to your own help to get those sweet peas pinched out. So until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben everyone.